Hey everyone, so today we're going to be doing an e-clean with the Kangen K8. Come and join. So you have to click on the screen, setting, e-clean, instructions. So it's going to explain step by step what you have to do. E-cleaning 1, pour 2 packets of cleaning powder into the cleaning tank. So you have a cleaning tank that comes with the device. You need to open it. Do not eat. Second one, put into the cleaning tank. So once you've done that, you're going to put water into the cleaning tank. You want to leave a little bit of space at the top so you're able to shake it and mix the solution. And then we put the lid back on, and then we shake it. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Okay, perfect. Pour 2, fill with the 370 millilitres of water, mix thoroughly. Okay, please insert the cleaning tank. So you're going to take the front off, take out the electrolysis enhancer, and you're going to put the cleaning tank in. Make sure you put the front on because it locks it into place. Okay. Step 3, please remove the filter and install the cleaning cartridge. Okay, so you have a lip here, you turn it around, take it out, and you take off the filter. You can see both of the black lips have come off, so you need to get those out and put them back on. Just because, put it on there. Just because what we're going to replace it with has its own too. So put it in. Okay, so that's in. And then what you do, put this back, lock it in. There you go. Okay. And then you put this back. Hit the video. There you go. Right, install cleaning cartridge, done in there. E-cleaning 4, please put the cap on the secondary hose, the red cap on the secondary. Okay, push it on. Okay, press start to begin cleaning. So it starts with a 3-hour e-cleaning time. So now you're going to leave the device.